Hi guys, today we're here with Ross from Genesis, and we're going to have a look at the new all-in-one trowel kit, okay, which comes in a handy stowaway box, okay, and in the kit we get a 4mm notch trowel, 6mm notch trowel, so it'll be like for your smaller tiles, your metros, your 150 by 150s, etc. You've got an 8mm notch trowel, a 10mm notch trowel, a U-notch 20mm flooring trowel, which is a good deep notch, and then the tiger trowel, which a lot of guys rave about. And this is a good one for extra coverage, isn't it, Ross?
Fantastic for getting the best value.
Exactly. So if you guys do, we all know how to do a wee test to check that you are getting correct coverage on the back of the tile. You put your adhesive on the background, you put the tile into position, you then get the tile back up off the floor or the wall and you have a look at the back of it. If you find you're not getting the correct coverage, you probably need to jump up to the tiger trowel, along with a bit of back buttering as well with larger format tiles. And these all connect onto a handy little handle.
A handy handle, yes.
A handy handle. And all it does is, guys, it slides on, clips, and away you go. And as long as you keep the handle clean and you don't get adhesive in it,
absolutely,
they'll last forever. Okay. The only downside to the kit I can see at the moment is it needs a 3mm notch trowel, which I believe is on its way. And the only other downside I can think, guys, is when you're on a job and you want to use a combination of trowels, you might want to put an 8 on the back of the tile, an 8 on the floor, etc. You have to keep changing the handle over. However, you can buy spare handles.
Spare handles, and all the blades are available individually to buy. So if you have damages, you can replace them one by one.
Exactly. So the handles come in at about £8, so they're not going to break the bank. The kit itself comes in at 35 quid, so it's well affordable. And as you can imagine, the handiness of this kit is everything is in this tiny little box, guys.
Absolutely.
Hope you found this video helpful. Cheers, guys. Bye bye.